Song by the Platters called The Magic Touch. Now, I'm not trying to step on anybody's toes here or nothing, but personally, I feel that I should be singing this song and not you. But since I'm not the one to deal with petty grudges and stuff, I'll turn the floor over to the man behind the drums.
Hey, Fats, what you mean that you were the one on me singing this song?
Well, it's just obvious to me, dude, that I have a magic touch and I should be singing this song.
Shoot, man, what you talking about? You don't call me Nimble Finger for nothing. In fact, just last week I had these hands insured for $1,000.
Oh, man, that ain't nothing. The other day, the President of the United States wrote me a letter saying he wanted a picture of my hands to hang in the Oval Office.
Well, I can beat that. My hands and my pretty face were photographed for the cover of Newsweek, Time, Life, Rolling Stone, and a bunch of other magazines. Now, top that.
Wow.
Well, I wouldn't double bingo at Winn-Dixie.
Yeah, Mitzi, you definitely got that magic touch.
You got the magic.